So right now I'm gonna make some blueberry chia keto muffins, and I got a recipe which is, I'm gonna use a very similar, most of the instructions that was on the Birch Benders website, but it called for 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and instead of using maple syrup, I'm gonna use this maple syrup from ChocZero. And I don't have my glasses on. Hold on, let me get my glasses. And I still can't read it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get back with you. It's very small on there. Maybe you can read it. Anyway, you need 1/4 cup of maple syrup, so I'm gonna use this instead. So the first step is, I have my blueberries. I'm using frozen. And you need 1.5 cups of blueberries. And I have to mix those together with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, which is a lot of cinnamon. I'm a little bit nervous because that's a lot of cinnamon. All right, so I'm just gonna dust that. Toss them, coat them. See? There we go. Now we're gonna set this aside. We're gonna start making the batter. So 2 cups of the Birch Benders Paleo Pancake mix. All right, say 3/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of ghee, but I'm going to use melted butter, 1/2 cup of chia seeds, so good for you, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So remember I said I was going to use this, but also let me show you a little trick. If you're using like syrups or something that would stick to your measuring cup, always spray it with a little bit of oil, and then add my honey or agave syrup or whatever. This time I have the maple syrup, and pour it on in, and it just slips on out. Look. See? All of that. Because honestly, that ChocZero stuff is not cheap, so you do not want to be leaving any of that in there. So now, here's the mixture. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to make like 12 muffins. That looks so good. I'm so excited because it reminds me of kind of like a poppy seed muffin, and I love a lemon poppy seed muffin. So I'm hoping that maybe this will be like a blueberry poppy seed muffin. We'll see. I'm just gonna add my blueberries and all that cinnamon. A lot of cinnamon. And now I'm just gonna fold it all in here. It smells delicious. So this recipe makes 12 muffins. So I have my non-stick muffin pan that I have sprayed with cooking spray. It did say to use liners, but I don't have any liners, so I'm not going to be using any. It's pretty thick, so you cannot just pour it in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them each about halfway. Okay. There you go. Was that they wouldn't be that sweet, but I just tasted a little bit of the batter that was left inside the bowl, and they are sweet. All right. So actually, I'm gonna make them exactly how it calls for. I'm cooking it on 350, and I believe it told me 35 minutes. So we'll try and check it in 35 minutes. Okay, they're out and they cooled for over 10 minutes actually. But look, I wanted to show you how easily they pop out of this non-stick skillet now, or pan. Now I actually just made like some blueberry muffins, like regular blueberry muffins this morning for my family, which is why I wanted some that I could eat and not feel guilty about. And theirs did not come out clean like this. So look, I don't even need the knife. I can just reach on in there and grab them. Look at that. Let's see what they taste like. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Okay, here you go. I've busted into my hot cocoa already. I am a visitor who's smelling my ham, I think. You smell it, boo-boo? Coco, do you smell it? Yeah. This would taste really delicious with some butter on top, but I'm not even gonna go there. I am just going to eat it just like this, so I can really tell what it tastes like without adding anything extra to it. I really like it. I really, really like it. And it's a little bit, like it has like a little bit of crunchiness to it because of the chia seeds. And it's sweet, but not overpoweringly sweet. And it just is really a nice substitute for a regular blueberry muffin when you're looking at your family who's eating regular blueberry muffins. And you want one too. So I think you should make it. Definitely. All right, that's it for me. I'm gonna eat my breakfast now and get on with my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you did like the video, I'd appreciate it if you'd give me a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.